The ocean is a vast and mysterious part of our world, covering over 70% of the Earth's surface. Beneath the waves lies an incredible world filled with life that is breathtaking, beautiful, and sometimes downright bizarre. But none of this strangeness is random. These ocean creatures, as strange as they seem, are uniquely and purposefully made. Today, we're diving deep to uncover some of the weirdest, most wonderfully designed sea creatures you won't believe actually exist. Get ready to be amazed, because every single one of these animals is another example of the creativity and genius built into God's creation. Let's kick things off with a sea creature that became internet famous for its ugly appearance: the blobfish. Out of water, it looks like a sad, droopy balloon, but that's only because it's built to live under extreme pressure in the deep ocean, around 2,000 to 4,000 feet below the surface. Up here, its body collapses, but down there, that gelatinous form works perfectly, helping it float just above the seafloor without using energy. The blobfish doesn't chase after prey. It waits for food to drift by. It's passive, yet perfectly suited for its dark, high-pressure environment. Strange looking? Yes, but incredibly well-designed. Next up is the mysterious barrel-eye fish. This creature has something truly mind-blowing: a transparent head. Through its clear dome-shaped forehead, you can see its eyes, large, tubular structures that point upward. Why? So it can watch for prey swimming above, even in almost total darkness. For a long time, scientists were puzzled by this fish, thinking its eyes were the small black spots near its mouth. Only in recent decades have they discovered what's really going on. With its floating headlamp-like design and near-motionless hovering abilities, the barrel-eye shows that even in the blackest parts of the ocean, life thrives with incredible design. Now let's meet a creature that looks like it floated out of a bedtime story: the Dumbo octopus. With its round head, stubby arms, and two ear-like fins that flap as it moves, this octopus has charmed the internet. But it's not just cute, it's built for life over 13,000 feet deep. Unlike other octopuses that crawl on rocks, the Dumbo octopus floats, flaps, and glides gently through the water. It doesn't squirt ink or flash colors. It doesn't need to. It swallows its prey whole and uses minimal energy. Its soft body, unique fins, and slow movements reflect a design perfectly suited to the dark, calm waters of the deep sea. Looking like a creature from a deep-sea horror film, the goblin shark is one of the ocean's strangest predators. With its long, flat snout and jaws that shoot forward like a slingshot, this shark is built for stealth and surprise. Most fish bite. This one launches. In the blink of an eye, it can grab fish and squid that swim too close. Its unusual appearance, including the pinkish color from visible blood vessels under thin skin, reminds us that beauty and creation can also include mystery and fearsome power. Despite being rarely seen, the goblin shark fulfills an important role in the ocean's food chain. Don't let the funny name fool you. The sarcastic fringehead is not joking around. This small fish is known for its ridiculously large mouth, which it flares open during territorial battles. Two males will often press their open mouths against each other to determine dominance, like a weird underwater kiss fight. Found off the Pacific coast of North America, this fish is aggressive, fiercely protective of its home, and surprisingly bold for its size. Its strange behavior and powerful mouth make it one of the ocean's most memorable and comically named inhabitants. Time for something smaller and more beautiful: the Christmas tree worm. These tiny, colorful marine worms live in coral and display spiral-shaped structures that look exactly like miniature Christmas trees. These spirals are not just for show, they're used to filter food and for breathing. If touched, the worm vanishes instantly into its coral tube, retreating with lightning speed. With vivid colors like blue, yellow, and red, these worms turn coral reefs into living decorations. Their precise shape and instinctual movement reflect not randomness, but detailed and elegant design in even the tiniest sea life. The sea pen might look like a writing feather sticking out of the seafloor, but it's actually a living colony made of specialized polyps working together. This soft coral glows when touched, producing a soft green light called bioluminescence, an ability many deep-sea creatures share. When the current flows, sea pens gently sway, capturing food particles with their tiny tentacles. Quiet, unassuming, and beautiful, they're a powerful reminder that even the ocean floor can be full of light, life, and order, even when sunlight can't reach. If you thought flowers didn't bite, think again. The Venus flytrap anemone looks like a blooming flower, but it's a meat eater. With its large, cupped shape and rows of stinging tentacles, it waits motionless for plankton and small creatures to drift near, then quickly closes around them. These anemones live deep in the ocean, where food is scarce, so every catch matters. Their delicate structure and trap-like motion are a stunning example of precision and purpose, wrapped in a beautiful exterior. Some creatures walk the runway. This one walks the ocean floor. The red-lipped batfish, found around the Galapagos Islands, has bright red lips and a body that looks more like a frog than a fish. But here's the weirdest part. It doesn't really swim. Instead, it uses its fins like legs to walk across the seabed. It also has a small lure on its head to attract prey. With its awkward gait and bold coloring, this batfish stands out in every possible way and reminds us that design doesn't always mean elegance. Sometimes it just means fun and function. Next up is the sea pig, a type of deep-sea sea cucumber that looks like a pink, plump pillow with legs. These odd creatures crawl slowly along the ocean floor, using their tube-like feet to move and search for food. They eat dead organic material, acting like the janitors of the sea. Sea pigs often travel in groups and play an essential role in keeping the ocean floor clean. Their squishy bodies and goofy movements may seem silly, but they're part of a carefully balanced system. The glass squid is a master of invisibility. Its nearly transparent body helps it avoid predators in the open ocean. Some species have spots that produce light from underneath. This helps them blend in with the faint light coming from above, making them almost invisible to anything below. This technique, known as counter-illumination, is an advanced form of camouflage. These squids are delicate, graceful, and stealthy, reminding us that sometimes the best defense is simply not being seen. Meet the pelican eel, also known as the gulper eel. It looks like a regular